to my channel. In today's video, it's super exciting. I'm going to be doing a dorm room haul, appliances, bedding, decor, literally everything. I'm super excited about this video because I love decor, I love designing, and I just love doing hauls. I do so many hauls on my channel, but yeah, if you guys don't know what college I'm going to, I will throw the video up right here. I did a full announcement video, and I will also link it down below if you guys want to watch it after this video. I will have many college videos, which is super exciting, and yeah, I have some really good things to show you guys and talk about in today's video. So if you're excited, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click that bell. I post every Tuesday and Friday, but lately it's summer, so I'm having a ton of extra videos. And be sure to also follow my social medias, which are on the screen, for inspirational things like outfit of the day, so I can inspire you to have, you know, a different kind of style or literally anything. And let's go ahead and get started. So first off, I want to shout out my roommates because we are actually staying in the nicest dorms on campus, which is what I explained to you guys in my college reveal video. I wasn't sure what dorms I was going to stay in, and yesterday we found out, which is so exciting. So my roommates are so cool from what I can tell. We were all like texting and we were like, I'm glad like we all seem normal, like nothing crazy. So shout out to Sophia Carmen. I think she goes by Soph. I don't really know, but she's like literally so pretty. We're also gonna do like a meet my roommates video because you guys have been requesting that, and they're like all so pretty. Like, whew, they're all so pretty. We got Maggie Vernon, and I just think she's gorgeous too. And Victoria, I don't know how to say her last name. I'm gonna try. I'm not even gonna try, but yeah, they're super cool, and I just want to shout them out real quick because they are just amazing, and we're all going to be sharing a good amount of this stuff, so I just wanted to shout them out. I love you guys already, and let's go ahead and get started. Ugh, this box is so heavy. So I feel like we should get the fun stuff in the beginning of the video. So we're gonna talk about decor and like bedding and pillows and things like that first, and then we'll do appliances and like storage next. First thing I have for my bedding is actually a gift I got from my brother's girlfriend, Nadane, and she just knows me so well. So she got me this pillow for my bed. On the front it says Bougie Bells, and then you can turn it to the back and it says GORIAGANG, and it has a pillow. No, it is a pillow. It has a lip on it. So I just, like, I opened this gift and I was like, this is just so sweet, and it's so beautiful, and I love how it's custom and it says Bougie Bells, and I just love it. She did the onesie like normal and then the JEE, so I can't wait to put this on my bed. It's so sweet. Thank you, Nadane. I think she got this from an Etsy shop. If I can link this down below for you guys to purchase your own, I will. I'll ask her for her link to it, but it's such nice quality and it's so comfy, and then you can take this off. It has a zipper to wash the pillowcase, and then you have the pillow inside of it. It's a really nice pillow and a great gift to give to somebody if, you know, they're moving into a dorm or their apartment, or, you know, getting a house. It's just so cute, custom, and it turned out so well, and I'm really happy to have this in my dorm on my bed every day to remind me of you guys, the Goria gang, and then also my bougie self and Nadane, because she got me this. So this is like one of the greatest gifts that I've ever received, and it's just so thoughtful, so thank you, Nadane. So next up we have a throw pillow. Ooh, I got an eye itch. So this pillow is actually purchased from Urban Outfitters. It's a crochet lip pillow. I'm all about lips, I'm all about beauty. I mean, you can literally see my pillows back here. These are all, I also get questions about these pillows. These are from Marshall's, but yeah, I saw this pillow and I love it, and it's from the Urban Outfitters home section. I got all of my bedding and this pillow for 30% off. I waited for a sale, and I'm just so happy that I was able to wait for a sale and get money off. So here's what the pillow looks like. It is so cute, so crochet. The lips are like so curvy. It's honestly really funny, but it's really nice quality. Like I said, it's crochet, so it's very nice. And I'm just going to, I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do for my dorm. I'm obviously gonna do a dorm room tour and like more dorm room hauls, so stay tuned. But I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with this pillow and that pillow. So on the days where I have the pillow facing this way, I will put this pillow on the front of it, so it just looks so cute and dainty. And when it's on this way, I will just leave it like this, and I will put this under my bed or tucked away somewhere. So obviously I can switch it out if I want to do this and I want to do this, or if I want to do this and just be alone. So yeah, I just thought this was like so cute, and I had this before I got this, but I still love both, and I'm gonna implement both and incorporate both in my dorm room. Yay! And obviously there's gonna be move-in vlogs and everything, so please stay tuned. It's gonna be such an amazing adventure. And yeah, okay, let's get started with the next couple items. I'm gonna be taking this painting. My cousin Cassidy made this for me, and I just love lips, so I'm gonna be hanging this above my bed. I just think this is adorable. It's black and silver, and she did this handmade. Like, who does this? This is crazy. So thank you, Cassidy. I can't wait to put this in my room and just have more lips, because more lips the merrier. I'm really excited about this next purchase. So this is called the Love Lead Neon Light. I got this from Urban Outfitters for like 25 bucks, I think. I will link everything I can down below for you guys. But if you know me, love is my favorite word. I use it like 1,000 times a day. The word means so much to me, and I feel like it's just a word I know so well, and I'm able to, I don't know, I just love the word love. So I had to pick this up when I saw it on Urban, and I want a pop of color and neon and light in my dorm. So it looks like this. It's kind of like a white purple iridescent once it's lit up, and me and my dad actually plugged it in. I'm not going to be able to in this video because we already packaged it up like so well, but I'm going to kind of show you what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. Obviously you'll see it in my dorm, but it actually works. I was scared. I was like, Dad, can we actually like put it in the wall so we can see if it works? So I might have to return it, but it actually works, and it's really pretty when it's lit up. So I can't wait to have this in my dorm. It's just gonna look so aesthetically pleasing, and it's my favorite word. And if you guys, I don't know if I've told you, but I want to get the word love tattooed on the back of my neck in Farsi, which is Persian and Lebanese. So I just want to get it tattooed on the back of my neck, and just because it means a lot to me. And plus my hair is always down, so it's not like it's going to be seen, but the word, it just means so much to me, and I just want it on the back of my neck. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to go through with it. We have two more things in this box. So the next two things are my bedding. So I have my duvet cover, and I also have two pillow shams that came with it. Like I said, these products are from Urban Outfitters, and I got them on sale. So this is called, I think this is called like the Celeste Tufted cover. It's really pretty. I'm not going to be able to take it fully out for you guys just because it's so hard to put everything back in here, and I have to go ahead and ship my stuff after this video. But you're kind of able to see the emblem on here. It's just like light flowers, kind of like a, it's just, if I can find a photo of what it looks like on Urban Outfitters, I will throw it right here for you guys to see. But it's really pretty. It's not too flowery, and I think it's just really nice and simple. The only reason I got white, I know some people are like, why'd you get white? Well, everything in my actual room right now at home is white, and I want something from home, and I think white will just kind of bring me back. But my actual sheets are going to be black because I self-tan, and I just don't want them to, like, I feel like white sheets are just a lot of work. So I am gonna get black sheets. I have not gotten them yet, but yeah, I just feel like it'll just bring like a sense of peace maybe, and it'll just be like homey. It's not like I'll be changing to like black and it's like, oh, I don't know this bed, you know, like I know this bed so well and the covers. So I tried to just do white, which is like the best idea for me. But anyways, it's just like very light flowers, and yeah, it's like one big medallion flower. It's really gorgeous, and when I saw it online, I just knew I didn't want something plain. I wanted something with a little bit of character to add to my room. So I picked this up from Urban, and this is a size twin XL. It's 100% cotton, and I feel like that's everything about this. Yeah, it's from Urban Outfitters home, obviously. And the next thing that came with it were the two little shams, I think that's what you call them. Yes, so this is called the Celeste Tufted Medallion White comforter and shams. These came with it, so it was like an all-in-one. I think I paid about 60 bucks for the pillow shams and the cover, which is an amazing price, you guys, especially for the quality. Urban Outfitters has amazing quality clothing, shoes, everything. Urban Outfitters is my favorite store, and I just thought that it'd be cool to have something from them on my bed. So these came with it, and I'm super pumped to put this on my bed and design it all. Also, I will be using, command hooks to hook up this and the love sign, because you cannot use nails, which is fine. Command hooks are great. All right, so next up we're gonna go ahead and move on to appliances and storage type of things. The first appliance I picked up is from Target. It's the Cuisinart Quick Kettle. So this is, how many cups does this hold? I think it's just like a 1 cup maybe. So this holds 2.11 cups, which is a good amount. I mean, I personally, the reason I got this is because I love tea. I love drinking like hot water and lemon and that sort of thing to get my morning started or my night or whatever. Tea is just very calming for me, and I love tea. So I thought this was cute. It's white. I'm actually going to show you guys what this looks like but I got this at Target, like I said, and it's so cute and just simple, and it'll just look so good. My parents have one downstairs, and I don't know what the brand is, but it's huge. And I mean, it's like not huge, but it's like too big, and I just need enough for like 1 or 2 cups. So I picked this up, and I'm so happy I found this at Target. I mean, look how cute this is. It's the cutest little kettle, and you can make like noodles with this if you need to. It also comes with a base, because that's what you stick it in, and then you stick it in the wall, and then it'll heat up. But I just thought this was an adorable little kettle. Got it from Target. I don't know how much this was, but I'll link it down below if I'm able to. And it's white, and I want very sleek, easy appliances, and this will last me my whole 4 college years, so that's great. So next up we have something for storage. I've had this for a bit, but I wanted to go ahead and include it in this video. So it's this, like, it has like a Lazy Susan base to where you turn it and it will move. But I got this from Home Goods, and it was $49. It retailed for $85, and I got it for about half off. I'm gonna be putting this on my desk for my everyday makeup. Now, I will be taking a Michaels drawer, which I've had in previous videos for all my makeup. It has 10 drawers, so I'll put my makeup in there, skincare, and like body care items. But this is going to be for my everyday makeup. I feel like I'm going to be in a rush a good amount of the time, so I'll put like my easy quick powder and just mascara and foundation, and then probably in these I'll just put sponges and a little couple brushes, just simple things, like everyday stuff, so I don't always have to reach in the drawers. And this is just sitting on my desk, and I just turn it. I feel like you can find these at many places, but this is really great quality. I've had it for 2 years, and I've used it for that amount of time. I use this for homeschool. I would put like my pens and pencils in here and my flashcards and stuff, but I feel like you can find these on Amazon for cheaper than this. So yeah, but it's white and it's clear, and I just thought it was sleek. So next up we have coffee maker. Now if you know me, you know I'm a huge coffee drinker. I literally have my Starbucks over here. So good. But I drink coffee every single day, and I just knew I needed my own little coffee maker. So this is a Keurig K Mini. It's a single serve coffee maker. It is so small, but it has a very fast and fresh brewed coffee in just minutes. So that seemed cool. I got this at Target. My brother's girlfriend Nana has a red one, and I really like the way hers is so tiny, but it, you know, it's just like a 1 serve cup thing. And yeah, so I picked this up. Like I said, it's black and silver, and it matches the other appliances I'll show you guys in a minute. But I don't know, should I open this? Oh, this looks a little complicated to like open. Yeah, I don't want to open this just because it's gonna be so hard to put back in here, but you guys will see in my dorm room tour. But me and my roommates are gonna share this, but it's a 1 cup, so they're gonna have to like fill it every single time, and so am I. Every single time you want a new cup, you have to put a full cup of water in it, which is fine. It's meant to be like a 1 person, but I'm down to share it. But I just think it's really cute. They had a bunch of different colors too, but obviously I think black is just the best, and this will stay with me again for 4 years of college. And then I also picked up the Keurig, wait, I was about to say, that is not the language I know. I picked up the Keurig Slim Storage Drawer. It holds 24 cups, or 24 pods of your K-Cups. I know for a fact I will be drinking Starbucks K-Pods. But it goes under here. You put your Keurig on top of it. Now this is the single serve, so it'll be perfect because it'll fit perfectly. And it's a drawer, so you just pull it out, and you have all your K-Cups lined up. So that is where I will be putting my coffee. And it holds, like I said, 24. It is compact, it fits on the counter space, and it fits actually under any Keurig brewer. So this is not just a one for the single cup Keurig, the K Mini. This says it fits on everything. High quality, durable metal construction. So I have high hopes for this. I really think it's cute and simple, and I'm excited to use this for my coffee. Next up we have this random shower caddy, because I'm gonna have to put all my stuff in here and take it to the shower. So we actually do have a shower in our actual room. So you walk into the room, there's a living space, and then you walk back a little, there's a room here, and then there's the bathrooms here. We'll be staying in one of the 2 rooms. There's 4 people in this room, 4 people in this room. They're big rooms, there's plenty of space. I know that sounds like crazy that there's 8 people in a dorm, but it's 4 and 4, and there's a huge living area and bathrooms. So it's not like it's a lot of like claustrophobic things happening. So you're gonna have to like put your shampoo and stuff in here and take it to the shower, because you don't want to leave it in there, like just in case it gets dirty, and you don't want other people using your stuff. So that's why you put it in here, and you just take this every time you go to the shower. It'll be like a nice workout. That's cool. Ugh, this is so heavy too. Next up we have a toaster oven. Now we're not supposed to have a toaster oven, but your girl cannot live without her avocado toast and just toast with peanut butter and stuff. So I picked one up, and we're actually all gonna share this too. It's a 4-slice toaster oven. It's by the brand Black & Decker, so it's black and silver, so it matches my Keurig, and it doesn't match my Cuisinart, but it'll all just kind of go, I guess. As long as it's like neutral colors, I'm fine with it. I've heard really great things on Black & Decker, and it also can fit a 9-inch pizza or 4 bread slices, which is super cool. I think this is gonna be great. You can bake, broil, toast, and keep warm. Wait, what? Keep warm functions. Has 2 knobs for simplified controls. And when I saw this in Target, sorry, it's getting really heavy. When I saw it in Target, just kind of sitting out, I looked at it immediately and I knew it was the one I wanted. And I just pulled it down and it was like really nice. It didn't feel like, you know, shaky or anything. It felt like really great quality. And yeah, I've heard great things on Black & Decker, so I thought I'd pick this one up. Obviously, you'll see it opened fully in my dorm room tour, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys that. Okay, this next thing, I'm trying to get off the floor and it's so heavy. Ugh. I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to hold this up. Okay, this is really hard because this thing is like 5,500,000 pounds, but I got the Black & Decker. This is the wrong side. Okay, here's the right side. This is the Black & Decker toaster oven. It is, oh no, it's a microwave, sorry. But it matches the toaster oven, which is great. Child safe. It just seemed like a great one and I just decided to make it all match. It's getting heavy, you guys. It's just a regular microwave. Oh my god. Ugh. So the next item I'm gonna show you guys is actually a NutriBullet. I love smoothies. What more can I say? I like smoothies. I like meal replacement smoothies. I'm burping, I'm sorry. They were actually hiccups and I think they're gone now. I've been holding my breath. Anyway, so I picked up the NutriBullet Balance. It is supposed to be really good. It's Bluetooth, which is cool. Now this was from Bed Bath & Beyond and it was quite expensive, but I do think my mom got it with a coupon because she got my brother's with a coupon. It says $179, but I think my mom only paid like $110 for this stuff. So she got like, you know, $70-ish off, or I think that's the amount she paid. I don't think she would have paid the actual price for it. That's like way too expensive. But it's just a NutriBullet. It is like a single serve smoothie thing, so you just put it on your desk or in your little living area, put your stuff in it, make your smoothie, clean it, and you're done. I love smoothies, so this would be great. My brothers use this and they like it, so I thought I'd pick one up for that reason. And the very last thing we have is a 3-drawer cart organizer from Target from the Room Essentials brand. Now, I have it taped up so the drawers won't fall off when I take it to college. But I got this for the, I don't know what I got this for. I have another one of these that I got for something, and then I have the one for my makeup. I think I'll be putting this in the actual bathroom, like in the corner for my hair stuff and maybe my shampoos and stuff, and then I'll also like put it in the caddy and stuff. I don't really know if there's gonna be room for it, but I think hair tools will be good in here, maybe skincare. I normally do my skincare on my vanity or my desk, so I don't really know. But I think I'm just gonna put, like I said, hairspray, hair tools, serums for my hair care routine will go in here, brushes, hot tools, and bobby pins, and all my scrunchies because I have like a boatload of scrunchies. So that's what I'm gonna be using this for. It'll go in the bathroom. And then I have another one that I got, which I'm not gonna show you guys only because it was like, I just have, my room is a wreck right now because I have so many college things just sitting around. So I only brought one in, but I also got another one of these for under my desk for, wait, no, maybe it's not for under my desk. I got another one of these and I don't really know what it's for, but I have another one. That's great. And it'll probably go under my desk for extra little things, like a junk drawer thing. And then I have the 10 storage one from Michaels that was in my makeup collection video, and I will be using that for my makeup, skincare, or maybe I'll put skincare in this. I really don't know. Stay tuned. I have no clue. All right, you guys, this was a long video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope I gave you some inspiration or helped you, you know, find some things that you'll need for your college dorm or your apartment or things like that. I feel like I got a good amount of stuff and I showed you guys a good amount of stuff, but obviously please stay tuned for my dorm room like tour and move-in vlogs and all that stuff. It's gonna be exciting, I hope, and I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click that bell, join the Goria gang, and follow my social medias, which are on the screen and they're always listed in the description box down below. I love you guys so much, and if you haven't checked out my college announcement video, you should watch it. I'll link it down below for you guys to watch, and hopefully I will see you guys in my very next video. I love you guys so much, and yeah, all right, bye guys.